Hello, I'm joined by John Davies, who's the Managing Director here at TDSi. How are you doing, John?
I'm very well, thank you.
Wonderful. Right, first things first. Tell me a little bit about TDSi, what it does, who it provides it to, whereabouts you're based.
We are based in Poole in Dorset, so we're a UK manufacturer of access control and integrated security management systems. We've been in business for 32 years now. And I bought the business just over 10 years ago. So we've had an interesting journey over the last 10 years as we push more and more into the export side of things.
I see. So who do you supply to distributors? Do you supply directly?
We supply to a mixture of wholesale distributors, so companies like Norbane, Midwich, ADI Global, but also we have a network of our own gold and platinum partners. So systems integration companies, mechanical and electrical engineering companies. We don't sell direct to end users, but we market to end users. But yeah.
Okay, good stuff. Right, you've got some hero technology here on your stand, John. Right behind us, conveniently enough, on the wall. Talk us through what you've got on the wall here.
Basically, we've got a brand new range of readers.
Let's go over and have a look.
Okay.
Come on.
So these are both mullion and square readers. It's a capacitive-based technology, so the readers come to life when you actually touch them. So there's a whole range from proximity to MyFair DesFire.
MyFair DesFire, sorry?
It's a smart card technology.
Okay.
So when we're looking at the cards that people are carrying around, proximity is an older technology. The MyFair DesFire technology, those cards can be used for multiple things. So not only access control, it can be used for logging onto computer networks within an organization. You can load value onto the cards so they can be used for cashless vending, that sort of thing. But the whole MyFair or smart card technology is moving along. There's a real drive for more encryption. Yeah, it's very, very easy, or has been easy to crack cards. So there's a whole new range of DesFire readers, MyFair DesFire, and then we have dual technology.
Dual technology, right. Tell me, because this seems to be pretty multifunctional here.
Yeah. So these are basically combined proximity and MyFair readers. So these would be used in an organization where they've got a huge population of proximity cards. They don't necessarily want to change all those cards out, but they want to slowly bring the new technology into the business. So the reader will read both the new smart cards for new employees as well as the old proximity cards.
Terrific. And in terms of kind of trends in your area of the industry, are there any that are kind of sticking their necks above the parapet at the moment?
There is a big trend, because with the dual technology and the MyFair readers, what these readers will also do is read NFC technology, and so basically they'll be able to use phones. You'll be able to use a phone rather than a card to actually get in through the front door. So the whole drive towards NFC, the whole mobile world, and the basic people aren't going to be using the printed cards anymore. They're going to be using the devices that they carry in their pocket.
Well, I mean, you pull out your iPhone there. Of course, Apple made the announcement that Apple Pay is coming to the UK in July this year. That, again, for your area of the industry, the use of consumer devices with full-on professional kit, that's really the way it's going, as you're saying.
Precisely, yeah. And it's not just in the access control side of things. The whole sort of IT infrastructure in businesses is changing. So the whole thing about bring your own device, people want their own phones, they want their own tablets. They don't necessarily want to use what the companies give them. Yeah. So they need to use their own device. So manufacturers like us, we need to be aware of what it is that people want to use, and develop technology to make that happen.
Sure. Now, John, don't take this the wrong way, but a birdie tells me you are something of an IFSEC veteran. How many years have you been coming here for?
I've been coming here for 14 years. The company has been exhibiting here for as long as the company's been in business, so 30 odd years. And it's a very, very important show for us. It's our main exhibition throughout the world. So we exhibit here, IFSEC in Dubai, but this is the biggest stand that we put together. We have more customers come to see us at IFSEC, not just from the UK, but across continental Europe, Middle East, Africa. There's a big IFSEC is a big draw for international customers.
And like you were saying earlier on about who you supply to, the conversations that you have with your customers, with your distributors, with your providers, with your integrators, That's another good thing about this show, right?
Oh, it's absolutely marvellous. And the move, when the show moved from Birmingham last year down to London, there are more engineering companies, there are more consulting companies, there are more end users based in London. So we're having better conversations with more people. People don't have to sort of jump on a train and go up to Birmingham anymore. The people that we need to see are here in London.
Terrific. Well, that's really good to hear, John. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you have a terrific show showing off your new technology, and I'll see you on the show floor later on.
Okay.
So that was John Davies here from TDSi. One thing to mention also is Twitter. We do have the Twitter walls all about all of the big screens about the halls here. Hashtag you should be using to send your comments, your queries, hashtag IFSEC. Make sure that you keep that. And also FireX as well. FireX, another one of the shows here that's taking place. And that's at FireXINTL. So keep the conversation going. We'll see you later.